tulips in the rain. Oh, so bad. Today is raining. So even it's raining, I'm taking pictures of these beautiful tulips. This is just very close to our place. It's just 3 minutes drive. And yesterday they were open because of a very sunny day. But today it's raining. So I'm taking the chances of taking pictures. And they're really beautiful. That's my husband too, taking advantage of this beautiful flower. And that's the Nilsson house. We are, as I said, we live here about 2-3 minutes drive. And this is a landmark in our place. And look at the tulips. They're bending down because of the rain. They're supposed to be double, triple layers of tulips. Oh my God. I love those. Tomorrow this is dead.
Tulips on the rain.
Tulips in the rain. Tulips on the rain. It's beautiful. I just love flowers. Oh my God, I'm just so in love with these flowers. The other day we came here, it was raining and I thought all these flowers were dead already, and now they're just in bloom. Oh my God. This is nearest to our place. It's just about 2-3 minutes drive. And it's really beautiful. Look at that. That's my husband over there. He's enjoying the beauty of these flowers. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Come closer so you can see. This is the Nilsson house. I love flowers. Look at this double, triple petals of tulips. I just love the flowers. That's exactly the Nilsson house, and it is already a recreation center. And they have this beautiful garden. It's more tulips over there.